Ron's the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we got one that came out of a Zen Pop snack box. I did an unboxing with my daughter last night, and we found this. This is Myojo Ippei-chan Yakisoba. Yaten no Yakisoba. And look at that. It's got the goo, and the goo is where it's at. So let's make it happen. So 3 minutes. That's it. And you drain it. And that's what happens. So noodle, loose bits from the tray from earlier. It's got a yakisoba sauce, mustard, and it's either seaweed or it's shichimi. So we will find out shortly. Yeah, 3 minutes. You just add the liquid. Bada bing, bada bada boom. And there we are. So let's do our 3 minutes. So it's a sad morning. Well, it's a good morning in that, well, my wife just took a flight down to California, and it's Sunday morning and she won't be back until Thursday. That's the sad part. And it's because she's going to a funeral. So that's sad too. But it's good. She needs to go down there and do all that. Am I bummed? Oh yeah. I am bummed. See, I enjoy spending time with my wife. So. Anyway, yeah, that's going on. And our anniversary is on Thursday. So, yeah, she'll be coming back on Thursday. So we'll get to spend a good part of Thursday together. And then July 4th is on Tuesday, so it's gonna be me and the kids for the 4th. No fireworks here. I mean, there's a fireworks show. We're gonna go to that, but you can't light off your own. I don't know many places where you can, unless it's like unincorporated county kind of stuff. But yeah, apparently too many people were morons with their fireworks, so that's why we can't have nice things anymore. Yeah, morons. But you know, what do? You just have to deal with the fact that there are silly people who do silly things. I don't know. I've when I was a kid, I lit off a ton of fireworks, and yeah, they can be kind of unpredictable, especially bottle rockets. Oh, the big bottle rockets with the things on the end like that, this big and that big around. Yeah, if you have one, just go like, ew, and it's really dry and it hits somebody's roof. That's that. But I don't know, I heard a ton of people lighting off junk last night. So I'm guessing police probably got like 50 bazillion calls about that. That's usually the 4th of July is fun because you turn on your police scanner should you have one, and you listen to people complaining about fireworks. It's like, hate to break it to you, but it's the 4th of July. People light off fireworks. No, can't do it. It's horrible. Blah, blah, blah. Silliness. But yeah. We got up like at 3. The flights right now, I guess, are just like crazy. So you got to be really prepared. But all went fine on this end of the stick. She got there definitely more than early enough. So yeah, good stuff. And here we go. Let's give a little swizzle. And it's definitely done. Let's drain this. It comes with this fancy lid that has a drain spout. Here's what it looks like pre-drain. There's that. here in this pot. So this will be one of those times when I do everything up and then I try it after I take the pretty pictures, because yeah, that's just how it's gonna work. So here we go. Now it has its sauciness. That's a decent serving too. That's a lot of food. And we are going to put it in here for my plating tool. I don't know, I just try things and they work. I'm sure somebody's like, wow, where did you learn to do that? It's like, experience. It doesn't always work, but it's better than just dumping it on a plate all haphazard like, so. I've got one plate that kind of has a dip in the middle, which is handy. But the one I'm going to use today does not, and I want to make it kind of look nice, you know. That's kind of my thing. I've had people say, why are you're misleading people by garnishing these things? And it's like, oh, it says added. It's obvious that I'm adding it to it. Besides, who wants to look at noodles that are, you know, the reason you buy a noodle is because of the serving suggestion. I think a lot of the time, at least. Say, hey, that looks good. Say, hey. Oh, are we playing today? I think maybe we are. Giants been playing the Blue Jays the last couple days. Hopefully, we will do well and be victorious. Okay. God, that's a lot of food. Yeah, that's not the biggest win in the world as far as plating goes. It's a tricky go, let me tell you. Let's do our sometimes this works better than others, and this is one of those not as good as I'd like it to have worked. Yeah, it's like a mustardy thing going on there. It's really good. Now I get to find out if this little thing is shichimi or seaweed. I want to say it's shichimi, but one way to find out. It is a seasoning. Well, it's on there now. So what I have to do now, since I'm not going to try it yet, I need to make this in such a way where I can go to a bare spot, like over here, for my sampling. I got the seasoning over on this side, so maybe that's what's going to happen. Alright, so I've got an extra light running today, and it squeaks. It makes a weird, odd squeaking noise. That'll go there. And I got a slice of chashu. Sounds nice. Yeah, we'll go with that. Anything else? No, I think that's going to be... Let's see. What we're going to do... Let me hold on a second. Sometimes if you tilt it a little bit, it'll just kind of slide over. And then it's more centered. Little rotato for you. So now, I'm going to grab my camera, throw this over here. Hold on. One picture. And 2 pictures done. See? I wonder if it'll do any video feedback. I don't think it will. A little bit. Okay, enough of that. So, got my pictures done. Everything is ready. Ooh, there we are. So I'm going to try this corner right here. This is tough because, you know, I'm still on my diet and stuff. I want to just eat the heck out of this. But I'll be good. I'll be good. Here we are. Cheers. Mm. Mm. Wow. I'd say this is about the best sauce yakisoba around. That the mustard really goes a long way in this, and makes it quite. It's nice. It's kind of like karashi mayo, but a little different. Anyways, yeah, that's a 5-star one. Thanks for watching. This has been Oz the Ramen Reader, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. Have a good one, and bye-bye. Whoops.